Hello everyone, this is Jaime Castro with Jaime Castro Digital Imaging. I just got back from Imaging USA 2018 and I picked up a whole bunch of cool stuff. So this is going to be an unboxing of a whole bunch of stuff I got from MagMod. I met those guys over there. I was very impressed with their kit. This was the main thing that I was very interested in out of all of Imaging USA, the entire Expo. There's a lot of cool stuff, but this really caught my eye. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff. So the first thing I'm going to open here is the MagMod basic kit. And what it does, what these are is just they're little things that you put on your speed lights. But the reason I like these is they're not banded, they're clamped by magnets. So I'm going to go ahead and open and check this thing out here. So a nice little box. So this is all the stuff that comes with it. It's the mag grip, mag grid, a mag gel, a couple transmitter pads, and a pouch. So lots of stuff in this cool little kit here. So here are the gels. Now one thing I do love about these gels, what they showed me, we'll open these up here, is the fact that these are hard plastic, like a polycarbonate maybe. They're not those typical flimsy ones that, they'll start melting after you use them like maybe a couple of times. So these are pretty sturdy, and I got a good range here. I got also a diffuser. So a really good set of gels here. So I'm pretty happy about that. We'll put these here. They also came with a pouch to put all the stuff in. So nice little MagMod pouch. It also can use as a lens cleaner, which is kind of cool. Now here's like the main things here. This is the grip. So as you can see, it's kind of expandable here. I'll put this to the side. And I got one of my flashes here that I'm going to put it on here. So here is the grip with the flash on here. So it was a little bit tight, but actually that's a good sign simply because of the fact that I had these things actually come off a lot of times with other previous ones. With this, as you can tell, this thing is not going to fall off. Now, one of the things that really sold me on the product is we have this little grid here. I guess it's a hex grid. So real simple. This has magnets inside, and how you put this on, make sure your polarity is correct, and bam, on. That thing's not coming off at all. Another cool thing, here's like a gel filter. Bam, on. I asked how many of these you can stack. They said they really don't know. It just depends on how powerful the magnets are, but they almost guarantee 3. But look at that. This is really cool. This also is the gel holder here, so let's try putting one of the gels on. And it's real simple. All you do is pop it in. That's simple. There you go. You're all set. So this is this is a real good solution for me, since I like to use a lot of gels and colors and everything. And this has been something I've been looking for quite some time. So one of the things I like about this is the fact, hey, this thing's not coming off. This thing is not coming off whatsoever. So I could take this on the road, in the field, and I know that this thing's not going to fall off if I'm in a situation with wind or something like that. And the fact that I can stack these as much as possible. So sky's the limit on this. And again, I can take it off. Let's say I don't want the grid. Pop the gel right on top. And then the kit also comes with these bands, but I don't really see myself using these because this is what I want to get away from. But this, I think I'm just gonna probably just keep it on this flash. there's no reason for me to remove it. So this was a really cool product. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to open up is I got a starter flash kit. So this is just another kit that we're offering. It has the grip. It also has another mag grid, but the main reason I got it is to get this diffuser, which is one of the, from what they're telling me, is this is people have been pretty happy with this diffuser. It's one of the, it really lights up the surface a lot. So as you can see, nice packaging. I really love the packaging here. So as you can see, it's sort of like one of those old funk filters, but this looks like a large dome, which is kind of cool. And look at all the product lines they have, which is really cool. So this one's called the Mag Sphere. So I'm going to take it out here. So again, very well packaged. Back to the side. Again, this comes with another grip for your flash. So again, with the magnets and everything, another hex grid. Again, another pouch. These are really cool. I definitely will be using these. So again, with the company logo on there, really cool. So then here is the Mag Sphere. So let me get the flash that I already have the grip on. And how it works, again, it has magnets. Pop it on. Pop it on. Not coming off. Again, this can be used sequentially with a grid. And you simply pop it on for a more focused light. Again, just like last time, you could put gels. You could put all sorts of things. I mean, let's see with the gel honeycomb from the other one. So this is with two, the honeycomb and the gel. Look at that. I'm shaking it pretty hard here. I definitely see myself using this. So again, I love the stacking. I love the product so far. I mean, this is a real good solution for people, especially me that goes out in the field a lot, that faces wind and all that. This, I already see myself using this a lot, so very cool. The other thing I got from MagMod were these packet of creative gels. So this is the blue, red, orange. So this has all the main colors of the color wheel, as you can see right there. I'm not going to open this, but as you can see, it's just another, just to complement the gel packs that I have, just to get a lot more color palette in my arsenal here. So again, good packaging. These are the same kind of hard plastic that they have. So I'm real happy with these already because of the fact that these aren't going to melt with the flashes like the other ones that I've been using. So I'm pretty happy about these. And last but not least, the one thing that really sold me on the product. So this is called the Mag Beam Kit. This, when I saw some sample pictures of this in use, this is what really blew me away. This is what kind of sold me on the product to really try out. So I already kind of popped the plastic off here. Again, real good box here. So again, this tells you everything that's in the kit, which is really cool. Now I think I was able to, I think it was this one that I got. I don't remember at the time, but so again, here's the bag. Definitely like that. So again, this comes with, doesn't come with the grip, but here's the beam. So it's a collapsible beam here. And what this does is this is going to focus your flash even further. And what it does, how it uses these little magnifiers, and we have different kinds here. So this, I believe, is just this one's more. I mean, the optics on this is pretty cool. It's lightweight. This is not glass, so it's all polycarbonate, I believe. And what you do is you pop it on here. There's a little slit, and you stick it in there. So again, relatively easy to use and install. Bam. Really don't have to figure a lot of this stuff out here. Now, one of the things, again, let me grab one of the grips here for the flash. Sticks right on there. Right on there. Let me put this to the side. So this is really what sold me on the product. Right here are these right here. And if you look on their website, they have quite a bit of photos using these. So I already know, I mean, I can't wait to kind of try these out. I actually ordered another sets of 2 of these patterns. So what these are little, I think these are aluminum. They're aluminum slits with different patterns. And what this does is this concentrates the light, and what you're doing is you're going to project a different type of pattern, light pattern, when the flash fires. It says that these are aluminum, so these are going to last quite a bit. Very nicely, it looks like they're cut, laser cut. Company logo on there, nice touch. It's also labeled, which is really cool. So kind of, I mean, good for cataloging, so you kind of organize what you're getting. As I said, I grabbed a couple more of these that are coming in the mail. So the reason these are cool is if I was to take this off, and let's say I want to project a different type of light pattern, I would just stick this in the slot here. Careful not to bend it. And there we go. And again, stick it on there. Not coming off. And what as I said, what this is going to do, this is going to magnify a pattern, and what's going to project on the subject are these lines. So I mean, I'm already seeing some cool combinations you can do with a lot of this stuff. Again, pop the gel on there. You can have all sorts of combinations. If you want the hex, you can put the hex one. Here's hex. Who knows what you can do? There's a lot of combinations that you can do. So as I said, you can stack gels. You can stack, just a whole bunch of different options. So I'm pretty excited to actually try this out. So I'm definitely going to schedule a shoot and see with a model and see how what weird stuff I can come up with some of these. And again, I have different patterns coming in, so I mean, I'm going to be playing with this for quite some time. So I can't wait to show everyone some pictures of what I can get produced with these. So again, thanks MagMod for ImagingUSA 2018. So I'm really happy, and I can't wait to use these. So I want to thank you. This is Jaime Castro Digital Imaging out of Houston, Texas. All right, thanks. Bye.